Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO F31 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power it off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it, and when the OPPO logo appears, release it. Now here select language, and you can see it will send you in recovery. Format data, reboot device and power off is available there. Tap on format data. So guys, as you can see, format data, please enter verification code. My verification code is 1000. So enter your verification code, and you can see on bottom format data, all user data will be reset. Keep this in mind. Now tap on format. As you can see, wiping, please wait, and you can see on bottom data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset, take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset, again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is a method to hard reset OPPO F31 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.